My name is David Berman. I'm the marketing account manager for AgriPower Inc. And what we do is we make a machine called the Power Island, which we have a photo of it behind me. The Power Island, what it does is it takes waste material, agricultural waste material, and it turns it into electricity in an environmentally friendly way. So what is agricultural waste material? It's things like when you grow corn, it's the part you don't eat. It is when you grow lettuce, it's the part that normally would be discarded and put in a landfill. If you are a manufacturer, for example, of pre-made salads, a large amount of what you grow, you end up paying to dispose of it in a landfill. You're also bringing in gasoline and diesel fuel to power generators and things for your equipment. What we allow you to do is solve the problem of how are you going to eliminate waste, and at the same time, we reduce your energy costs in an environmentally friendly way. The material goes into the machine. It's completely combusted. The emissions that come out of the machine are the cleanest you can get for this type of energy production. They exceed the world's highest standards for clean energy production. And we have a variety of applications. So one of the applications of the machine is when you have agricultural farm growers, etc., you've got excess material you need to get rid of. Another application is when you have a remote location, such as a disaster area. Our machine, it's transportable. It can be transported on, for example, a standard tractor-trailer truck, or it can be shipped on by international freight, and it can be taken to a disaster area on short notice where it can provide pure, clean water. It can also be used to remove debris. It's also what's called a cogeneration machine, and what that means is not only does electricity come out in an environmentally friendly way, but what it will also do is provide heat, which can be used for heating a facility. It can also be connected to another device that allows you to purify water. It allows you to produce ice, refrigeration, and other things as well. We have a variety of different types of interest in the machine. For example, the United States government is in dialogue with us because when they go and they set up a base in a foreign country, you've got a lot of food that isn't eaten. You have materials coming in on wooden pallets, and all of that material ends up being put into a landfill type of environment. So what this machine allows you to do is cleanly remove that waste, but also it reduces one of the military's largest foreign costs, which is bringing in fuel that they would need to burn in order to have a generator operating on a military facility. We also have waste management companies that are very interested in this machine, and we're having dialogues with them now, because if they have a landfill and they are collecting a fee to put material in a landfill, they have the opportunity to then take that material and put it into this machine rather than consuming the very limited landfill space. When materials go into this machine, it prevents them from decomposing and creating methane gas. One of the things that's great about the AgriPower Power Island is that it doesn't use a fuel source. It takes the part of the food that people do not eat and would normally be discarded. In conclusion, the AgriPower Unit, it's an affordable solution that can be transported anywhere in the world to deal with disaster situations or commercial applications, and it allows you to take the thing that you would have a problem with getting rid of and turn it into energy in an environmentally friendly way.